Hello watch fans, Berthier Watches here. This time for you we have another Porsche design watch in the huge box that these come in. Brand new, unsigned warranty card, still got the original hang tag. Let's show you the watch itself. This is the white dialed version with the flat 6. The model number is P6350. Made by Eterna when Eterna were owned by Porsche. And the watch is in brand new condition. We've only taken the dial protector off for the video and some photos. Automatic winding. You've got the rubber strap with the metal stainless steel keepers and buckle. And in the back, this big chunky buckle, you have the movement in a tinted date window. Absolutely perfect as you would expect.